Hi everyone, welcome back to GreyBeard Droning. It's Friday the 2nd of February 2024, back at Anfield Road for the next stages of this expansion. Heavy lifter is back, carrying on with the coping stones, delivery of shrubs, the landscape section, and final pieces of cladding going up on this shoulder. Also work going on by the lights over the further stones. It's quite busy today. If you like what you see, click like, share, subscribe. Without further ado, let's get the drone up. Welcome back, we are airborne. Yes, as you probably saw on yesterday's video with KC Imageworks, welcome back. Corner sections that have been arriving, tier pieces in particular. So we're going to start there first. We're going to see if there's work beginning on the corner section. We all thought that was going to be an end of the season job. So without further ado, let's fly over and see if work is beginning on the corner. This video will also be merged with ground footage. I've got some great ground footage to add into the drone footage, so stay tuned. Close-ups and more. So currently over the pitch, it's going to turn around, back off a bit, see if there's any activity in that corner, and I don't believe there is. But it was worth a check, isn't it? We're all going to be doing that every day now. We're going to be checking that corner. But all the pieces they've got are there. And there was activity on that little compound where all those red seats were earlier. There. They were sorting through some, so we're going to go there now and have a quick look. So the guys were sorting through those, probably seeing which ones they can use for the corner section maybe. There you have it. Are these all the fixtures and fittings ready for the terrace? We're going to be keeping an eye on this over the next few days, that's for certain. So while we're over this side, we might start the side in general. I normally start on the other side, but that blue cherry pick is parked up, isn't it? Yeah, there's nothing going on there. It looks like there they've dug up part of the road, haven't they? So GB, I think we'll go down to you, lad, for some ground footage. Over to you. And back to the ground level, just erecting that light there on the pole to take the further stones here. They've dug up this section, carrying on with that pathway. I believe they're the larger curving stones they're going to put into place very soon. So they're getting on with that. The blue cherry picker up in there. It's there, but that's just parked up, I think. There's nobody in the basket there. So we're going to keep an eye on this section over the next few days. See how they're getting on with it. Cladding wise on there, it's pretty much looking complete. So that's the view from the ground section. Back to YouTube in here. And welcome back. So as you can see, it's quite a big hole they've dug. We're ready to put that curbing stones in, and then I guess they'll do all the paving after. But we'll drop down a little bit, have one little last look, and carry on. But when you look from this view, that's how big the hole is from the drone. And those guys were doing something on that light, weren't they? Yeah, they're just putting the top part of that light on. You probably saw in the video, the raised platform. They put all that square section on first, and then I put the lights on after. So we'll climb a little bit, go around towards the back, because I know the heavy lifter is back, doing the caping stones. That lifter there was waiting for the shrubs to be delivered. Someone's bringing them to him. So I'm guessing they're in that car park somewhere. Don't know where, but that's where he's coming from with those big ton bags full of shrubs. And he's just dropping them off to that JCB. And he's just parking them there. All his bags there. But we'll carry on towards the back. About 41 metres, that's plenty, high enough. And here we are, the heavy lifter doing the caping stones again. So once they've done that back straight there won't be that much left to do, will it? So once all that is done, it's going to look fantastic. But I think what we're going to do, we're going to get some extra close-up footage of this going on. So GB, back to you, boy. Let's stay with these guys and watch them lift this caping stone into place. Another section of the wall nearly done. And it'll be joined to the other one where those metal pins were put in just. And that's how it's done, but it's looking good, isn't it? Quite impressed with that. Back to you, GB. Carry on going around with that drone. As you saw in the video, they do join every caping stone together. They put those like 2 metal pins in each stone, and they just push them together. Cement all the top as well. But on some parts they're putting all those like thinnish strips, but they haven't done that on this part. So I'm not sure what the difference was, to be fair. If you know, let me know. No more work on the sign yet. Looking at that. But I'm guessing you don't want too much activity going on in the back when there's a heavy lifter there. And passing traffic going up and down Anfield Road. So let those guys carry on, and girls, because one in the cab is a woman. I tried not to film their faces, but it's hard when you're trying to get close-up footage, but they seemed okay. They weren't bothered with me being that close, so see what this guy's up to. Bit of repair job, is it, to the roads? Cosmetic job. I think he's cutting something. Yeah, he's cutting something. I'm not going to drop any further because I'm just above the trees right now. As you also saw on Casey's video, they were clearing my throat, get the frogs out. They're clearing all that temporary tarmac, and it's all pretty much gone now, so they can carry on paving. That was a big frog trying to get out of my throat there. Finally gone. You can just see the first section paved. So I think we'll join GB again. ground footage on the ground. And here we are, ground level by the main stand. They've just started paving down the last section where they lifted up the tarmac. The temporary surface that they laid for the Chelsea game. There's the final section on this part. And it's looking great. Obviously that bit of cladding over there, like I mentioned in the last video, that'll probably be done at a later date. I think getting this road section is priority. And they've started doing it. Let's get back in the air, GB. And welcome back. So it ain't going to take them that long really to do that section, to be honest. They did the whole of that section in 2 days, was it? Obviously that bit of temporary tarmac there will have to be dug up also. But yeah, that longish part took them about 2 days. So it ain't going to take them long to do that little part there. I'm not sure if that is temporary or not. I think that might be staying. It's going to climb a bit more. But yeah, it's looking good, isn't it? It's quite a busy site on Anfield Road. Obviously there's that last bit of cladding to go at the top. But yeah, we're all waiting eagerly to see that corner part being started on. It doesn't look like it's going to be today. So I'm going to climb above Anfield Road. And we'll have one last fly through. Go slowly to the left, about 100 meters, so plenty. The road is looking better and better every day. And so is that wall, which is coming to its final stages also. And we'll end on this shoulder. So it's good to see finally activity with those seats. They've been like there for, feels like donkey's years, doesn't it? But we'll just get the stand fully in shot in all its glory. And I think we're going to wrap this one up there. As you saw on the footage, the close-ups of the coping stones, how they're installed. Hopefully in the next couple of days activity will finally begin on that corner, as I just said. And maybe some of the other jobs they might surprise us with the corner, the shoulder cladding. We're all eager for that to be done. You all know what I'm on about, you can't miss it, can you? There. It's horrendous looking like that. But once that the road is fully complete on this side, which looks like it's not far away now, maybe another day or two, could be. There's nothing stopping them doing that shoulder cladding. But I'm not an engineer. They've all got their plans and what's going to be done next. And that's where we're going to end this video. If you like what you saw, click like, share, subscribe, help out the channel. So many people are viewing and not subscribing. Please give us a subscription, that really does help me out. Thanks for your time all. Enjoy the rest of your day. It's a perfect day in Liverpool. Hope it's a perfect day for you. See you for the next one. Bye for now.